Hi, kindergarten friends. Today I'm going to read a book that I found on Epic. It has a lot of our power words in it, so this is going to be kind of like our little power word game for today. I want you to follow along with me as I read the book, look at all the power words, see how many you can find, and when I'm finished, I'd like for you to go back through the book and write all the power words down that you have recognized and that you can read. And you can even send a picture of it to your teachers. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. This is a book called Spring. Spring is new. In spring, new things grow. Snow melts, flowers poke up. In spring, tree buds grow. Buds grow into blossoms. Apple blossoms are white. In spring, robins make nests. They weave grass and twigs. Mama robin lays eggs. In spring, spiderlings hatch. They spin a silk string. They swing to a new home. In spring, lambs are born. Mama sheep feeds them milk. In spring, days get longer. The sun sets later. Cow plays outside after supper. In spring, it is muddy. Jen walks to school. She wears boots. In spring, it is windy. Shen flies a kite. What do you do in spring? And that's the end of the story, the end of the book. So go back through the book and write down all the power words that you find in the story. Good luck.